are there. Most of you guys have been asking us questions on our Facebook, on our YouTube, and we've been getting all your information, all the comments. And today I am here to show you around our hotel. We'll get to show you the rooms, we'll get to show you the facilities, more especially the rooms. Most of you have been asking videos about the rooms. So today I'm going to take you there. Stay tuned, let's go around the hotel. First room I'm going to show you today is the premium pool view room. Can you guys see the room? So spacious, everything is clean, and oh my god, the toilet looks absolutely amazing as well. You have your hair dryer here. For those of you that's been asking, we do have our hair dryers here. Let's see, works just fine. And we have some shampoo. You have the cupboard with enough space where you can store your clothes. A very nice storage, and of course a very soft bed as well. You have the TV. Oh my god, I could watch Netflix and chill just here in my room. And here you can have your coffee, and right here, if you want to chill, all you need to do is just open this door and come here to have the perfect pool view. You can see the hotel right from here. All you need to do is just grab your cup of coffee and sit right here and enjoy the view. Everything looks amazing. And this here is our standard room, which is not renovated, but we just made a little bit of change so that to make it up to date and make it to your likings. The toilet, as you can see, also is very nice. You have enough space to have a shower and even take a mirror selfie. If you're on a lower budget and you booked our standard rooms, this is the room that you're going to get. It comes with a cupboard and a safe inside as well, where you could save your valuable stuff here. And we have a bed, which is absolutely soft as well. We have the TV here, the same thing. We actually have a couch, a sofa here, and of course a dressing table. A dressing table, wow. So this right here is the standard room. With it has a balcony as well. Very nice. We have an AC inside, and this is block C, and this is where we have our standard room. So if you book a standard room, all of our tour operators, being it the Gambia Experience, TUI or Corendon or any of the other websites, this is the standard room that you will get. And this is the most famous suite that you guys have been asking us, is the suite ready. So this is our suite here, which is very, very spacious. We actually have a living room and a parlor here, basically, because the setup here is absolutely nice. And you have your bedroom right here where you could sleep while facing the pool and the sea. I mean, what an amazing view. And if you've booked a room here in the hotel and you're part of the all-inclusive guest, you can come here every day from 12 to 3 to get your lunch from here. Oh, thank you. So you've seen around the hotel, you've seen our amazing rooms, you've seen the food that we have. And by the way, this lunch is the all-inclusive lunch, which is always a buffet where you get to choose different varieties of food. So you have your starter, your main course, and your dessert, of course. So for you to enjoy all this, all you need to do is just book a room with us. I mean, at this point, this is the #1 hotel in the Gambia. I'm here with one of your favorite tour operators, Mr. Lamin from the Gambia Experience. So Mr. Lamin, I understand you've been bringing guests to all our hotels, more especially in Kombo here. Can I just know the most important thing that your guests tell you? What do they like about our hotel?
I think you're doing good. First is the service. Keep it up and keep pushing, because now we're heading to a new era of tourism. People are looking for quality. They have quality facilities and so on, and they want to have quality service as well.
Thank you very much. So getting that from a tour operator is absolutely amazing. I mean, I could literally scream right now, but I'm not going. I'd make all our guests happy. So till we see you next time, book a room here in Kombo Beach Resort.